Hello students, I hope you all quite cool and healthy. Today is the continuation of previous class. Okay, what was the previous class? The topic was I can't climb trees anymore. Who saw the Ruskin Bond? I do believe you read the textbook. Have you? Have you read the textbook? Then I hope you remember the story. Do you remember? Yes. Shall we quickly recall the story? Yes, who's the author of this? I can't climb trees anymore. Who's the author? Ruskin Bond. Who's the narrator of the story? Ruskin Bond only. Okay. What are the main characters in this story? The small girl and this Ruskin Bond, the narrator. Then who else? A grandmother, right? Then that old house. Do you remember that? Yes. Then what was the age of that small girl? 12 or 13, right? Yes. Why this author visited that old house? Because he lived there, isn't it? When he was a child, that time he lived in that old house. He visited for his memories. That's why, where did he stood? He stood aside of the road and watching the old house. What are the changes he could find there? The old house was the same, right? The house was built with granite, right? Yeah, what was the old house built with? That solid blocks of granite. Fine. Then what else he could find? Changes was what is that guest house, isn't it? They built a new guest house there. Then turnstile was that was removed from there and they built a wall. He used to play round and round and get giddiness, right? Giddy, feel unsteady. Then what was some trees were cut down, isn't it? Now countable trees only were. Then what are the other changes? Yes, that building, that wall, turnstile, they removed and they built a wall. Then which plant did they planted? Hollyhocks plant, right? It's a colorful flower. I hope you checked in your Google image these turnstile and hollyhocks. Cool. Then shall we move? Where did I stop? Yes, they had conversation each other. Who were this narrator and that little girl? They had a bit conversation. Let me read that. Yes, that girl asked, "What are you looking at?" So he replied, "The old house, isn't it?" She thought, "Do you want to buy it?" Like, "I'm looking at the house. Is it yours?" Yes, she asked, "Is it yours?" That or the narrator asked to her, right? "No, it's my father's." She replied, "It's my father's." Here we could see the culture, the foreign culture. "Do you want to buy it? And what does your father do?" "He's only colonel." Colonel is the highest post, isn't it? Rank officer, army officer. Then on only colonel, he asked, "Only a colonel?" "Yes, well, he should have been brigadier minor. This time he should step up. But still he is in that colonel position." The man burst laughing. He laughed. "Then it's not funny," she said. Then she felt something and she said, "It's not funny. This is fact, what I am saying." Then even mommy says he should be brigadier. Yeah, my mother says this. Then I used to say. Oh, then he thought, yeah, that is why he is in the colonel position. Like he thought to give the comment, but he didn't. He controlled that statement. That remarks was at the tip of his tongue, but he didn't say that not to insult her. Okay, yes. Then I hope here I stopped. Then it was on the tip of his tongue to make a witty remark. Witty means humorous remark. Okay, give counter. Perhaps that's why he is still a colonel. Yeah, your mother asked, that's why he is in that same position. Like he thought to say, but he didn't want to give offense. Offense here means insult. Okay, she should not take it insult, that's why he just controlled. He didn't express that. He didn't utter that statement. Do you remember the meaning of utter? Say. Okay. Then they stood on their either side of the wall, appraising each other. Appraising, assessing, asking the question and assessing each other. Okay. So either side. He is at the side of the road. This girl at the side of the other side of the wall. Clear? Both are in this place and they were talking. Then, do you want to buy it? This girl asked. Okay, do you want to buy this house? Because you are looking at the house, staring at the house. No, he said. He replied, no, I don't want to buy. Well, she said, if you don't want to buy the house, then what are you looking at? Yeah, she asked. Yes, you don't want buy the house. Then what are you looking at the house? Like she asked. He replied, I used to live here 25 years ago. Yes, here, how many years ago he lived in this old house? 25 years ago. Okay, as a boy, as a young man, in this both age, boy and as a young man. And then my grandmother died and we sold the house and went away. He shared his story with her. Okay, why? The reason why he is staring or looking at this house. Why he is looking at the house? Because he lived there years back. How many years back? 25 years back. Okay, so who was the owner of this house at that time? His grandmother. Okay. Here, what is the three form of sold? S-O-L-D, sold. Sell, sold, sold. Clear? Yes. So, he lived there as a boy, as a young man. Okay. Then later what happened? When his grandma passed away, then they left the house. They sold the house and moved to other place. Okay. So, that memory only made him to go that place and to look at that place, so that he gets some kind of feeling, that memories. Okay, yeah, do you get? I used to live here 25 years ago as a boy, as a young man, and then my grandmother died and we sold the house and went away. Below that, 2 questions are given. Take a look. What was the old house built with? What was? The solid blocks of granite. With that only built that house. Okay. The house was same. Okay. They didn't demolish the house. Then, does the visitor still live in the house? No, the narrator did not live in that house. Fine. Study these 2 questions. Okay. Then, she was silent for a while. When she heard his story, his grandmother passed away, he lived once. She was a bit silent. Okay, silent for a while. She was a bit silent for a while. Then taking in this information, which means when he shared this, she was a bit dull, silent. Okay. Then she said, and you would like to buy it back now? Yeah. Then she raised a question. Okay. Now you came here after 25 years. So she thought he came here again to buy the house. Okay. That's why she asked him. And you would like to buy it back now. But you don't have the money. He did not look very prosperous. Sorry. Prosperous meaning well off, rich. So she thought, yes, he is here back to buy this house. But he seems very simple person. Okay, not that much well off, means rich. So she thought he doesn't have enough money to buy this house. Like she is asking question. Okay. And you would like to buy it back now, but you don't have the money. He did not look very prosperous. Okay. Jot the meaning: prosperous, rich or well off. He replied, No, I wasn't thinking of buying it back. Wanted to see it again. That's all. Yeah. What is the purpose of his arrival? Not to buy the house, just see the house. Okay. Just for refresh his memories. For that purpose only, he arrived there. Okay. How long have you lived in it? Yeah, she asked now. How long have you lived in this house? Because he has this much attached, isn't it? This much memories. So by this, she asked, how long did you spend? Like she asked. For that he replied, only 3 years. She smiled. Yeah. He said, only 3 years. Then, would you like to come in and look more closely? Yeah. She's a nice girl, isn't it? She asked this man, what is? Yeah, would you like to get in? Because they are on the either side. So she asked, would you like to come in and to look more closely? Like she asked. Wouldn't your parents mind? Yeah, immediately he asked, what is? Yeah, what about your parents? Won't they feel bad? Like, or do they say anything? Like he asked. Then, they have gone to the club. They won't mind. Yeah, she replied, no problem. They went to club. They don't mind. They don't bother about this. I'm allowed to bring my friends home. Yeah, my parents gave permission to, take my friends to this home. Immediately he asked, even elderly friends like me? Yeah, like me. Yeah, elderly friends also. Can you take here? For that too got permission from the parents, like he raised a question. Then immediately she asked, how old are you? Like she raised the question. Oh, just middle-aged. Yeah, middle-aged means 50 plus. Okay. But feeling young today. Yeah, he said, yes, I am just middle-aged. But now I am feeling young because he got the memory of his childhood as a boy, isn't it? So when he looked at the house, he feels like a boy. That's why, yeah, that this is the tree I played. This is the place I jumped here. Those things. He got some energy, like he feels, okay. Then, oh, just middle-aged, but feeling young today. And to prove it, he decided he would climb over the wall instead of going round to the gate. So she invited, please get in. So he thought to climb over the wall. He feels energetic, that is why. But he is middle-aged. It's very difficult, hard to climb over the wall. But somehow he climbed up, okay. He got up on the wall, alright. There is a way to enter the house, but he didn't use that way. He feel young and energetic, so that he thought to climb over the wall. But what's the age of this man? Now 50 plus, right? Yes. But had to rest there, breathing heavily. Yes, when he climbed over the wall, he got tired. Okay, somehow he managed and climbed over the wall. Then he sat there taking a rest. He couldn't move even. Okay, breathing. He is in lack of breath. Okay, he's suffering. Then middle-aged man. Then he murmured himself. Middle-aged man on the flying trapeze. He muttered to himself. Yeah. Trapeze, already we saw it's flying, the rope, isn't it, swinging. So he's thinking, middle-aged man, if they climb on a tree or like flying, is it possible? It's very hard, isn't it, difficult. But yeah, here that is why he is feeling very hard to breathe. Like he murmured, okay, said and muttered in low voice. Oh, I feel very difficult, I couldn't like. I will help you, she said, and gave him her hand. Yeah, this girl, he sensed that this man was feeling tired, panting. Panting means that lack of breath, okay, suffering. Then she gave a hand to help this person. He slithered down to get down, okay, get off this wall. He couldn't jump off the wall because he is old enough. He couldn't. So she gave a hand. Then what happened? He slithered down, slide down. Okay, he couldn't jump off. He just slide down and fell on the hollyhocks plant. Okay, down into the flower bed, shattered the stem of a hollyhocks. On that plant, he somehow managed and slide down, got down. Clear? Then, as they walked across the grass, he spotted a stone bench under a mango tree. There was a jackfruit tree, then mango tree. So when they took a walk inside that, in front of that old house, he saw a stone bench. That too was there. Okay, stone bench. Where? Near the mango tree, under the mango tree. It was the bench on which his grandmother used to rest when she was tired of pruning rose bushes and bougainvillea. See here, when he looked at that stone bench, he remembered his grandma. Okay, on that bench only, his grandma, after her work, that means pruning, trimming the rose, I already told you, giving shape to the plant, and bougainvillea, that plant also. After this work, she was a busy bee, okay, very active. Then after this, she took rest on this bench that he remembered by seeing that stone bench. Thinking of, let's just sit here, he said. I don't want to go inside. Yeah, this girl asked him to come inside, but he is not willing. He said, let's sit on this stone bench. Like he said, and they sat on the stone bench. Okay, the stone bench is the remembrance of his grandma. Clear? Then she sat beside him on the bench. She also, that girl, little girl, also sat next to this old man. I mean the narrator. Who's the narrator? Ruskin Bond. They were silent for some time. Yeah, these both were silent for a while, for some time. Didn't talk anything. Just he was looking at the place. It's a nice feeling. With the words, it's very hard to explain it. Okay. When we visit such places, only we can understand that. So he was silently looking at the place and sat silent, okay, feeling something, recalling his past memories, all the memories he was playing that way, everything. Then they were silent for some time. The man closed his eyes and remembered other times. Yes, he sat there and closed his eyes. Then he is thinking of his, as a boy, what are the incidents, what are the situation happened, those things he was thinking. The music of a piano, yeah, he used to hear the music of piano, the chimming of a grandfather clock, a chimming, a noise, low noise, okay, ringing tone of that clock noise. These are the things come to his mind, okay, when he sat on this stone bench, closed his eyes. These are the memories. The constant twitter of bagarikas, that bird, Australian bird, that birds always make noise, that is twitter, okay, that noise, okay, on the veranda, that is a caged bird, a pet bird. His grandfather cranking up the old car, etc. Okay, he's cranking. Grandfather often tried to start the car with a loud noise. Okay, noise or bike car. These are the noise. These are the sound. These are the situations suddenly come to his mind. Okay, he closed his eyes. He's feeling something. Okay, he went 25 years. 30 years back, and he was thinking of it. Okay, then, clear? Then I used to climb the jackfruit tree, he said, opening his eyes. Yeah, suddenly he opened his eyes and looked at the jackfruit tree. He said, I used to climb up this jackfruit tree. Yeah, it was his favorite one. When he was a boy, as a boy, he used to climb that, jump here, and suddenly he opened his eyes and shared this thing too with whom? This little girl. Okay, clear? Please read this much. Then let's move next page. Do you want to climb up it again? My parents won't mind. Yeah, this girl, when she heard this, she is asking, yes, do you want to climb it up again? I mean this jackfruit. My parents won't mind. No, he replied. No, not after climbing the garden wall. Yes, he struggled a lot to climb on the garden wall, isn't it? So I cannot climb on this tree. Yeah, this is what. I can't climb trees anymore because he is old enough. Middle-aged man, isn't it? As a boy he could, but now it's very hard, right? Yeah, this is what. The reason. No, not after climbing the garden wall. Let's just sit here for a few minutes. Let's sit here for a few minutes, like he said, and to talk with this little girl. Then I mentioned the jackfruit tree because it was my favorite place. Why did I say mention? I mean say this jackfruit tree because this jackfruit tree was his favorite one. Okay, as a boy, why did I mention this jackfruit tree is as a boy he spent much time with this tree only. Okay, that is why he likes to climb up this tree that much. Okay, he fond of this nature, the place, that stone bench, everything. He is recalling everything. Okay, all the memories. Mention the jackfruit tree because it was my favorite one. Do you see that thick branch stretching out over the roof? Yeah, he's asking to that little girl. Can you see that branches of this jackfruit tree? Okay, stretching out. That branches, big branches, thick branches. Okay, halfway along it there is a small hollow, in which hollow means empty space inside. That branch, that has empty space, that is hollow inside of that branch, thick branch, in which I used to keep some of my treasures. Yeah, in that hollow he used some of his treasure. He kept some of his treasure. What's the meaning of treasure? Treasure meaning precious things. Already you learned this word. Do you remember? Yes, precious things. Yes, like he shared with this girl. Okay, this little girl. Okay, I stop here. All of you please read this. Then an assignment is you have to write the story. Okay, till now how much you have understood, that you write it in your own words and learn all the vocabulary, I mean hard words, and read it well. These dialogues and all, please read it the same tone. Then only it make lively. Okay, you can understand. It will be somewhat interesting. Read it at least 3-4 times and write that. Then moreover study the glossary part and question answers also. Then let's continue in the next class. Thank you.